Welcome to the demonstration video for team number 26 for the software engineering project. Before we begin with our demonstration, I would like to run you through a quick introduction to our team. Starting from the left, we have our product owner and developer, Monith Sourya. Second is our scrum master and developer, Nikhil Nair, followed by our three developers, Rut Vora, Vishnu Teja, and Nakul Gupta. Together, we have built a web portal called YummyMummy, which aims to serve food from home kitchens to various customers across metropolitan cities. Unlike Swiggy or Zomato, which target commercial establishments with static menus, we aim to serve food from the homely hands across the city. Without further ado, let me begin with our demonstration. Here is the login page to our web portal YummyMummy. To avoid the hassle of demonstrations of logins and registrations, we have logged into 4 parallel sessions in private mode. Therefore, I shall run you through our 4 types of users. First is our manager. Second is the customer who is making the order. Third is the home kitchen which is preparing the food for the order. And fourth is the delivery agent who shall be making the delivery. Let me begin with the manager. The manager has 4 primary pages. The first and second are the options to add delivery personnel so that they can then sign in. Same goes for the home kitchen. Both of these are only created by the manager and they themselves cannot create a login for themselves. On the home page, we can see that the manager can look at the list of the delivery personnel here and the list of the home kitchens that are currently active. On the dashboard, we shall get the reports and statistics which I shall be running you through towards the end of this demonstration. Without further ado, I shall move on to a demonstration of the end-to-end functionality that our website provides. Starting from the customer, we have logged in as Nikhil Nair. We can see that the various items available from home kitchens are listed independently as opposed to grouping them by the home kitchen, because given our business model, the home kitchens do not have to maintain a static menu. Let us say that we want to add the cheesy bacon wraps from Miss Shobita Reddy to our cart and the chicken burrito also from Miss Shobita Reddy. You can see that the quantity is reduced for both of these items, and in the cart, one quantity has been added for both of these items. We also have the option to add or subtract the quantity and remove from the cart if needed. I shall be ordering 2 quantities of bacon wraps from Shobita Reddy at the price of 90 rupees for both of them, which totals to an 180 price. Here we have checked out and we can see that the order has been made with the transaction successful message. We shall move on to the home kitchen to see how this is reflected over there. We have logged in as Miss Shobita Reddy's home kitchen, and upon a refresh, we can see that the new order has popped in. We can see that the food item of cheesy bacon wraps with a count of 2 order has come in. Here, the home kitchen has the option to set the status to accepted, deliver or cancel. All orders across our web portal have 4 statuses. First is the default status, wherein the order has just been made by the customer. Second is the accepted status, where the home kitchen accepts the order and confirms that the amount of food required to make the order is available. Second, once the food has been packed by the home kitchen, they click upon the deliver button to notify delivery personnel in the area to come pick up the food. And we can see that this is reflected as will be demonstrated in a couple of minutes. Third, we have the cancel button wherein the home kitchen can cancel upon the order if they feel like the amount of quantity required is not available. Finally, we have another state, which is the delivered or the dropped state, wherein the delivery personnel confirms that the food has been handed over to the customer. Here, we shall accept the order as the home kitchen first and then click upon the deliver button. We can see that as a delivery agent, Parvam Harja, upon refreshing, has now got a new order to pick up. We can also see that when the worker is not on a shift timings, he can resort to a closed for business status. Upon clicking the open for business status, we can see that we have an order to test set Kiran, which is our login for the customer, from Shobita Reddy, which is currently in its default state with respect to the delivery agent. Here, given that the current status is on delivery, the delivery agent has the option to pick up the order. Here we can see that now this is updated to on delivery, thus notifying the system and the home kitchen and the user that the delivery agent has picked up the food to pass it on to the customer. Here we also have the option for shutting the restaurant, upon which all current orders will be cancelled if not already in accepted or delivered state, also removing their listing from the customer portal. From the status of the delivery agent, the next drop location is seen on the map at top. Owing to constraints in terms of demonstration of a mobile GPS object, we have resorted to setting a default location on our map. However, this API is completely functional and attached to the Google Maps API. We can see that at the end, the delivery agent has the opportunity to drop when he is handed over the food item to our customers. Upon clicking the drop button, we can see that the status has been changed to completed. Also back in the home kitchen's listing, upon refreshing, we shall see that the status of the home kitchen's delivery is also updated. Order status has also been updated to completed. Thus we can see that YummyMummy has successfully gone from making an order to accepting and changing it and handing it over to the delivery agent from the customer to the home kitchen, upon which the delivery agent has picked it up, gotten the directions for the customer's current location, dropped it, upon which the status was changed to completed. This is the primary end-to-end functionality that YummyMummy is serving. Also available in the manager's login is his ability to look at his dashboard. The manager's dashboard is a collection of data points and statistics. Here, the manager can look at the purchase rate, the checkout rate, the abandoned cart rate, and the order trends as classified by the user orders per home kitchen. Depending on this data, the manager can make executive decisions like improving upon orders and offers, or adding additional delivery personnel to the home kitchens which are clearly more popular. Thus, we have finished our demonstration of YummyMummy and its various features. Over the course of this project, we as a team have learned and improved upon our design and analysis for various software requirements. Before completion of this course, we had struggled to get a complete image into the future for the requirements of any software that we would need. Overall, this project has been extremely successful in teaching us a way to comprehensively apply the concepts taught in class. This has not only forced us to develop an elegant and concise way of comprehensive thinking, which enables us to look at a project not only from the viewpoint of a software coding engineer, but also from a product planning and a product design perspective. Starting from the very notion of user stories and a work system snapshot, which helped us analyze and understand the complete aspects of this project and the system that we aim to develop, to more intricate details like the implementation of a database and the classes which must then interact well with each other, which we learned the hard way, where we had to redesign our database to rewrite the code again. Overall, this project has taught us that a comprehensive style of thinking is very important, and the planning stages are essential to ensuring that clean and well-written code which is cohesive between different teammates can be structured by using various principles of software engineering. We thank you for listening to and watching this demonstration and hope you have a great day ahead.